Happy Turkey Day. Got something new for ya. It's Topps High Tech, not the Bowman. It's the regular High Tech 2018. The Bowman has like 10 cards. This has 40. I don't remember how many autographs are in there. Hopefully I get an Ohtani. How many autographs? 2. 2 on card. That's one advantage of the Bowman is there are 4. There's only 10 cards, but you get 4 autographs. But you can get, some super short prints in here. Some potential goodies. And it was time to get something new. I've been busting a lot of older stuff. I've kind of become a little bit more choosy instead of just buying everything new that hits the market. But when I saw this come out, it kind of piqued my interest. So, wow, that is a heavy ass pack of cards. There are the odds. Green Rainbow 1 and 2, Black Rainbow 1 and 3, Orange 1 and 6, Red 1 and 15. And then it gets into some other crazy stuff. Gold Rainbow 1 and 145, Magma Diffractor Green 1 and 2, Black 1 and 3, Orange 1 and 6. And so on and so on. Let me get that there for you. Looks like there are some inserts and image variations as well. So this is already a tough product to figure out what you have. So image variations will make that even tougher. This is an extremely heavy pack. Let's see how I want to do this. Alright, I'm just going to flip it over. And we'll start at the top. And that is with an Andujar rookie, so it's a good start. Do not know. Let's see if it tells the pattern. Gosh, if it does, it would be so small I wouldn't be able to see it. Alright. See, like this is clearly a different pattern. It's actually really neat. I guess I'll probably know if something's numbered, it'll probably be colored. Here's a Vieira rookie card. Corey Seager. Parker Bridwell, rookie. Kyle Schwarber. Here is an Ohtani. So I did get one. DeGrom. Aaron Judge. Here is a Bryce Harper 3 of 10. So apparently that is a good card. Let me see if I can, let me grab something to contrast that with. Alright, this will help. Well, it didn't help that much. Ugh. Anyways, it's red and shiny and numbered 3 of 10. So that is an extremely nice pull. And then we have a green Justin Smoke to 99. Raciel Iglesias to 50. This is a black. Will Clark, another green with a different pattern this time. This is to 99. Then we have, I'm going to skip past the autos. Nice pattern, Mark McGwire. Scherzer. Pick it up a little bit. Cozart. Chris Bryant. Springer. Little Tommy. And Andrew, rookie. Andrew Stevenson, rookie. There's a Ripken. This is a different pattern. Haven't seen this one yet, I don't think. Godley. Parker Bridwell, rookie. Didn't I already pull a Parker? I think I did. Different pattern, I assume. Charlie Blackmon. There's something new and different. And another Parker. I think I have 3 Parker rookies in this. 40 cards and 3 of the same guy. Sandy Koufax. Canseco. Flaherty. Rookie card. Reggie Jackson. Nomar Garciaparra. There's a blast from the past. Oh sweet, here is an Acuna rookie. Not sure what pattern this is, but it definitely looks different, so that's nice. JD Davis. Another Bryce Harper. Lots of Bryce Harper in here too. Smoke. Another Smoke. That's funny. Must be a short checklist. Scherzer. It's the second Scherzer. Ramirez. Nick Williams rookie. And then these last couple of cards. It's a Jordan Luplow blue rookie to 150. And then a Ozuna autograph, not numbered. Oh wow. Wait till you see the other autograph. Nomar Garciaparra. That is a sweet pull in my book to 75. Blue parallel. So there's my 2 autographs. Not bad. And then you throw in the Harper, numbered to 10. Couple of Ohtani rookie, couple of decent rookies. I would say this is a solid box of high tech. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving, and hope everybody's healthy and well, and your family is, and that you just have a really, really, really wonderful holiday. I will be back with my next break soon. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe, and please comment. Let me know what you think of this box of high tech. You want to see me open some more of it? Have you opened some? Have you done well? Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.